Hello everybody, today's video is quick one. How to install your frontal. What you need: scissors, hairband, your glue, either you use this or you use this, comb, your weave-on brush and your comb, menthol spray, you need your alcohol to clean, so, and you need your wig cap like this. This is the hair we are going to install today, so let's get started. So first, I'll clean my head. Follow my page, like, share. Clean one more time. So the hair I've been styled is just for me to install and maybe roll it if I want. So this is the hair. You wear it. So this is how it comes. Make sure you take your hairband. So that you can work on the hair. So you can see this way I want the hair to be. Side and this side here. So next is your glue. I'll be using this glue. Just take it like this. Apply your glue. You can use this like this or you use your hand, whatever way you are comfortable with, like so. So then you glue that. Once I'm done with this, I'll be back. So I'm okay like this. So you take the hair, drag it, place it where you want. Then take the side, the same thing. Then use your hands to make it like this. Don't worry about this glue, it will be okay. So repeat the same thing at this side. Take it, drag it. Then you take your comb, press it like this. So like this, and let's tie it down. Tie it for some minutes. I will be back. So let's check. So don't worry about this. The mental spray will remove it. So this side is set. Next thing is to cut. Take your scissors like this. Cut gently. You can also cut from here, so that it will be much easier. So I'm going to repeat the same thing this side. So this is it. I have to put little glue here before the mental spray. I'll put this at the back of my hand. Then I will use this like this. Once I'm done, I will be back because I don't want this video to be too long. So you use here to press, hold it down. Repeat everything. So I will tie it one more time. Just a little bit for some minutes, like this. Please follow this page, like, share, comment if you like this video. I'm going to post it on my YouTube, my Facebook, my TikTok. I'm not a professional, so let's see. So this is it. You clean. Now you are going to take your spray to clean this excess glue there. Gently, just like this. Once I'm done, I will be back. So this is it. The last thing I will be applying is my menthol spray. So I'm going to put some here. I'm using my hand to apply it. Just apply on it. So this is it. You don't need to tie it. So let's quickly style it. Because this is already the C part. Just take your comb. This one is the front. So that is it. If you find this video helpful, please follow, like, share, and comment. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.